Beyond our solar system are mysterious worlds known as exoplanets. Scientists estimate that the Milky Way galaxy alone contains more than 100 billion of these distant alien worlds, many of which have strange, sometimes unique features. From dead planets that are made completely of diamond to those that may even be comparable to Earth, with thick atmospheres and vast oceans. Some are rogue as they wander through the cold darkness of space, while others orbit their star so close that they are being scorched and constantly ripped apart. The nearest known exoplanet to the Sun is around for light years away, orbiting within the habitable zone of Proxima Centauri, and could be the closest rocky Earth-like world capable of sustaining life as we know it. So, with a galaxy full of magnificent possibilities, let's look at some of the more extreme exoplanets that have been discovered so far. 620 light-years away, in the constellation of Cygnus, there is a huge gas giant planet that has been named Kelt 9b. This distant world is nearly 3 times the mass and twice the diameter of Jupiter, but what makes it so unique is that its surface temperature can reach 4,300 degrees Celsius, making it to the hottest exoplanet ever discovered. It is even hotter than the surface of some stars. This ultra-hot world is constantly being scorched as it travels extremely close to its parent star in an unusual, highly inclined polar orbit. Because of its close proximity to its host, Kelt 9b is tidally locked, meaning that one side is all the ways facing the star, and one side is not. The gas giant is so hot that vaporized heavy metal, such as iron and titanium, have been detected in the planet's atmosphere, along with other elements such as hydrogen that is being boiled off of the planet, leaving a tail of superheated gas that is stretching out behind it as it sweeps through space. It is estimated that in a few million years from now, Kelt 9b will have had its entire atmosphere stripped away, possibly leaving nothing but a scorched core as a reminder of the planet that once existed there. 2,300 light-years away, in the constellation of Virgo, lurks a strange but unique planetary system that is made up of 3 known worlds orbiting a pulsar. Pulsars are rapidly rotating neutron stars, which are the collapsed cause of exploded ancient massive stars. These pulsar planets were nicknamed Draga, Poltergeist, and Phobeta, and were the first ever confirmed exoplanets. 2 of the alien worlds are estimated to be about the same size as Earth, but they are being bombarded with pulsar radiation as charged particles rain down on the planets. The night sky might light up with magnificent aurora, possibly like an extreme version of the Northern Lights. However, such intense bathing of radiation from its parent's pulsar would make the planets extremely hostile for life as we know it. Incredibly, these distant worlds may also be part of a second generation of planets, the first having been destroyed when the system's ancient star originally exploded 63 light-years away. In the constellation of Vulpecula, another hot gas giant planet can be located named HD 1-89733b. This alien world is about the size of Jupiter, but is over 30 times closer to its star than Earth is to the Sun, and makes one full orbit every 2.2 days. If you could see this exoplanet up close, it would be a magnificent bright blue, which is a result of its hazy, scorched atmosphere containing high clouds laced with silicate particles. Within this strange atmosphere, wind blows as fast as 5,400 miles per hour, which is 7 times the speed of sound. Because of these violent winds and a silica-concentrated atmosphere, the planet's clouds would also rain molten glass sideways. This molten glass would become hardened shards as it falls and is whipped through the planet's gases at extreme speeds, slicing through anything that got in its path. Because the exoplanet is just 63 light-years away, it is currently the closest known hot Jupiter-type world to Earth, allowing astronomers the chance to study its incredibly hostile atmosphere. 13,000 light-years away, in the constellation of Scorpius, there is an exoplanet called Ogle 2016b LG1-195lb. This distant world is an Earth-sized planet that orbits its star at the same distance that we orbit the Sun. However, the similarities end there, as this planet is frigid, harsh, and uninhabitable, with temperatures lower than minus 140 degrees Celsius, making it colder than Pluto. The reason that it is so cold is because the ice ball planet orbits a small star that is only 7.8% the mass of our Sun and is 10,000 times fainter. In fact, the star is so small that scientists aren't even sure if it's a star at all. It could instead be a brown dwarf, a star-like object whose core is not hot enough to generate energy through nuclear fusion. The ice ball exoplanet is more like an ultra-cold Earth with no hope of life as we know it existing on its surface. Located 750 light-years away in the constellation of Draco is a mysterious exoplanet called Tres-B. This strange world is a large Jupiter-sized gas planet that again orbits very close to its host star, resulting in a scorching temperature of above 980 degrees Celsius. But what makes Tres-B unique is that it is the darkest planet ever discovered, reflecting less than 1% of the light that it receives, making it darker than charcoal. The planet's exotic dark atmosphere has been found to contain light-absorbing chemicals like vaporized sodium, potassium, and titanium oxide. Tres-B does emit a faint red glow due to its extreme temperature, but why it is so dark is not fully understood and is still a mystery. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please hit the like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.